Unity under the groove with Ray V and each and every one of you.
Yes, yes, how are we, crew? Happy Easter, everyone. Unity under the groove. Let's go. How we doing, crew? By the way, happy Easter. Yes, get sharing, get carrying, hold tight for the shout outs real soon. Unity under the groove. Yes, crew. Let's see who the early birds are. Sister Sharp, I see you. Brother Wayne, I see you too. Gavstar, I see you shining bright. Brother Sam, I see you too. Mocker, I see ya. Brother Nips, I see ya. Brother GT, I see you too. Outside factory crew, we're coming through. Coming through the factory crew. Jose, I see ya. Sam, I see you too. Happy Easter to you too, Fred. You're legend. Yes, yes. BP. BP? That's petrol. PP. Jibber, I see ya. Anyway, listen to this. More mixing, more tunes. Here we go.
And dance with me into the starfire. Like tonight is all there is, and make love believe all faith. And don't look down. Follow me to the
What a tune this is. So how we doing? Having a few tech issues though. Onwards and upwards.
My heart is a beating drum, moves the mountains, it's so strong. My love is a silent song.
Yes, yes, Ricky, I see ya.
Moves, everybody moves.
Ricky!
And I wait all day, I won't give up, till the sound of the drums bring you back to love.
The words though.
And I wait all day, I won't give up, till the sound of the drums bring you back to love.
Yes, yes, Brother Wayne, I see ya. Sister Jill, I see you too. Massive shout out to the XB2. This is how we do it.
Till the sound of the drums bring you back to love. And I wait all day, I won't give up, till the sound of the drums bring you back to love.
Yes, Sister Sam, I see ya. Happy Easter, girl. Haha, getting in the groove now, come on. Who's coming with me? Who's coming with me? Let the bass drum. Yes. All crew, now hear this. Massive shout out to my brother and sister Serious Sounds and their little one too. Where's the Warriors at? Yes, brother XP, I see you, guy. Turn it up.
You and me, 'cause that's what it's for. Show me now. We got to be doing, and the music in our houses, 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 and the music in our houses.
Are we ready to go? This happens to me. Unity under the ground.
And the music in our houses.
Yes, come the warrior, cometh the man. Wank bang. To all the homemade pre-made makers, all the slimy kebab movers, all the maypole dancers. Let's go. Easter dad dancing. Yes, brother Matt, I see you too. What's coming on? Jump to the button. Through the roof, yes, bitch. Yes, can someone share it over onto Brian's Patreon? You know what to do. Yes, Fred, I still see ya. Ricky, I see you too. I'm coming with that A1 town. Bring it up, bring the love pay. Yes, it's for you, my love, Ricky. Fecal Farmers, I see ya. Oi, show. Nice to see you, nice.
The beat goes thick, boom, ba boom. 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 The beat goes thick, boom, ba. Billy makes you wanna dance all day. Hey.
Old walls that I built for you just to dig me out with silver spoons. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. See it coming. Old walls that I'm stuck inside. I guess beauty sees what I can't find. I didn't. No, I didn't. See it coming. When I got your code and got your message, I want you to know that you are the love of my life. The love of my life. You never leave when the song is over. You ride or die till the end. You're the love of my life. You're the love of my life. My life. My life. My life. My life. My life. You're the love of my life. My life.
Can't wait for Wonderland this year. Oh yeah, I'm here now. That's around over. Let's go, crew. Unity under the grill. We're gonna mess with your mind. Cheers again. How are we feeling, crew? Get ready for some more shout outs. Get your names in the comment if you want to mention. To all the chickens out there. And I won't discriminate to all the cocks. What's coming on now? There's only one Easter Sunday this year, let's have it. Lift up. Unity under the groove. This is how we do it, and this is how it's done. Now it is. We're about to free our mind, body, and soul. Just let me be your fantasy. Yes, crew, it's time to let it go.
I'll take you up to the highest heights. Let's spread our wings and fly away. Surround you with love that pure delight. Release your spirit, set you free. Come and feel my energy. Let's be as one, soul and mind. I'll fill your world with ecstasy. Touch all your dreams deep down inside. Let me be your fantasy. Let me be your fantasy, yeah. Let me be your fantasy. Let me be your fantasy.
Do we have the baseline crew? Hold tight for the shout out. Yes, Damage. Brother XB and Sister Jill. Come on. Nice to see ya. Sister Shell. I see you too. Much love to you. Brother Wayne Smith. That was rather formal. That's like an Easter Sunday night. Brother Wayne, how are you doing?
Come take a trip to my wonderland. Let's spread our wings
Just
and
the
fly
shining
away.
bright.
Feel oceans of love flow through your hands. See visions, colors every day.
Whoop.
Let me feel your warm embrace. Release the colors in your mind.
Yes, yes, Brother Danny, I see ya.
On your face, I've got what it takes to make you mine. Let me be your fantasy. Let me be your fantasy, yeah. Let me be your fantasy.
Outside Factory, I'm coming through. You know, I know you know. I'm coming through, I'm coming through. Everybody. To the bait, to the bait, to the baseline. Bass, how low can you go?
Let me be your fantasy.
Sit on it and sit on it and sit on it and go with the flow. Oh man, we got a massive event coming up, you know. Are you ready? The headliners are gonna be... Nah, I'm only joking. Massive event, 2nd of June. Oh yeah, you'll catch me there. Nottingham's our place. 2 rooms. 18 DJs. You want hardcore? You're in a hardcore room. If you want bounce, oh yeah, we got a bounce room too.
We can only understand what we are shown.
go as one. Come on. Outside Patrick Crew coming through. Let's hope you're smiling. Brother Fred. I see you, brother. Much love. Yes, yes, my brother from another mother. Good day to you, Yazzie cunt. Get another shrimp on the barbie. Come on. Shout out to my brother from another mother, Warren H. He's busy in Australia scaring delivery men away. They know he wants their ass, and they just want to pass. That's why they're always running, cause Warren H, yes, he'll be a coming.
Only if I had one more. Time to kick the rhythm, I keep a ripping out the door. So the real criminals get exposed behind the clothes. Doors in a suit stack, making break the law. Looking for my own, cause I had enough gold. I can't understand it, must been a crooked way they planned it. Police supposed to keep the peace, but I can't trust them, so I keep my peace. Loaded and cocked, but I don't miss the block. Talk about the ones who don't get chained to a rock.
Don't good for me. I don't need nobody. Don't need no one. That's no good for me. You're no good for me. I don't need
Jesus,
nobody.
Factory Crew 17, yeah.
No one. That's no good for me. You're no good for me. I don't
Ricky
need
T.
nobody. Don't need
Better Warren
no one.
H. I better play one of his tunes.
You're no good for me.
Remind me later.
Don't need nobody. Don't need no one. That's no good for
Factory
me.
Crew. Factory Crew. Ricky T. Sister 22. It's you, I see. Come on. Oh, crew, the unity from the UK to down under too. One tribe, one family. This is unity under the globe.
Only if I had one more. Time to kick the rhythm, I keep a ripping out the door. So the real criminals get exposed behind the clothes. Doors in a suit stack, making break the law. Looking for my own, cause I had enough gold. I can't understand it, must been a crooked way they planned it. Police supposed to keep the peace, but I can't trust them, so I keep my peace. Loaded and cocked, but I don't miss the block. Talk about the ones who don't get chained to a rock.
You're no good for me. I don't need nobody. Don't need no one. That's no good for me. You're no good for
Oh,
me.
bring that to the hotel, please, Ricky. Please, Ricky, you can have your A1 for free. I want to smell my sheep fingers.
No good for me. I don't need nobody. Don't need no one. That's no good for me. You're no good for me. I don't need nobody.
Hello, I'm Ravy the Lamb. Are we ready, crew? We're gonna have a good time. No more seriousness. The tunes, the banter, the chat, twat. Yes, yes, released the end of May, right at the end. Ray V, baptized by bounce. And just go with the flow. Ricky, you just made me wee a little. I can't wait to get in the comments. Yes, brother Nathan, I see you go. To the baseline. Jump to the bacon, 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 to the bacon. Yes, right. I see you guys. Over and done it. Let it go. Just let it go. Go with the flow. to do. Tell them what to do, shall we? Tell them what to do, shall we? Sister show. Turn it up. We go again. Take a breath, take it nice and easy, and get them raving boots on. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Turn it up and educate the neighbor. We're coming with the bass. Ecstasy, you really got me going. You got me so I don't know what I'm doing. Go. I said go. Go, 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 go. Ah! Let's go. Thank you, Sister Jill. Thank you. Like I said, get your raving boots on. Gotta get up. You're about to lose your fucking mind. Use the under the groove right there. And each and every one of you. Loving the style. Get on. All aboard. Get your tickets. You're all in for a ride. We're going to the next level. You know what to do. Turn it up, up. Yes, Moffy, you make me hungry. Yes, Shelby Lou, I'm still in the third bush on the left. Tickets, please. What a mix. Yes. This is my next release on Bounce Heaven Digital. I've always got to give a shout out to my absolute brother from the heart, Wayne T. Without his idea, I wouldn't have come up with this. This is called Break the Spell by Ray V, out on the 19th of May. Enjoy.
I feel my senses tingle with your warmth being next to mine. I never knew a love as fine as this. And as our bodies mingle and the thrill goes down my spine, I move into a higher state of bliss.
Yes, Mary. I see ya.
Ooh, it feels like magic. When you're near me, I can tell. It's just
Come on, everybody. Fuck whatever everyone's doing. Everybody get up and just feel good and smile. I love you. Incoming, we have Dimmer's promo. Wayne Smith, I know. Nice to see everybody. yes, Brother Martin, I see ya. This is an absolute banger from the #1 golden boy, golden hoop boy himself. He likes to pretend he owns a factory, but Claire really does. Massive shout out to this brother. His heart is immense. I absolutely adore him. I'm here for you, brother, always. Come on.
Tell me why does it look like in heaven?
#1.
Is it peaceful? Is it free like they say?
Only if you take me out the back. No, sorry.
Does the sun shine bright forever? Have your fears and your pain gone away?
No, you can win one naked, that's fine. Jesus Shimmer. Jesus Shimmer. Listen to this. Shimmer, turn it up. Come on, listen to it. This is DJ Shimmer. Dancing in the sky. It's going to #1, cause I know why. DJ B, I see you. Yes, Barry, I see you too. Dancing in the sky, DJ Jimmer for you. Out on promo. Keep your eyes peeled. You're gonna hear about it. It's going #1. You heard it here first. Yes, Kanye, I see you, brother. I see you.
So tell me why do you do up in heaven? Are your days filled with love and light? Is there music? Is there art and invention? Tell me, are you happy? Are you alright? 'Cause here on earth it feels like everything good is missing since you left. And here on earth everything's different. There's an emptiness. Oh, I hope you
Love this bit, Jimmer. We get all acid on our arse, and I like that. I like anything on my arse, you know that. Let's get. Yes, Ma, you know. Do you know what? I've had this tune a while and I just stumbled on it in my collection, and ever since I stumbled on it, I can't stop playing it.
I feel like I am drifting through the sky. Through the heavens I can hear your voice, I feel alive. You're everything that I want you to be. You give me all the strength I need, 'cause baby I'm in free fall with you. I'm skydiving. I'm skydiving.
You always do this and I think it looks like I'm wanking two people up. Did that too. I just make it up as I go along with. I just like, I just have a flick through. I really like that one. I'm gonna put that one on. And then it just sort of melts together. You know what I mean? It's like, I don't know. It's just like going with your soul. This is Unity Under the Groove. Come on. It's all about the peace, love, unity, respect. To the damaged crew, to the DJs, live factory crew. Maybe that should be DJ's factory live crew. We're all beautiful, aren't we? We're all beautiful. Come on. Now all of you blow my whistle bit. You know what, turn it up. The only reason I came across this tune was because I thought, has anyone done this before? And yeah, they had. My baseball cap's dripping sweat. Out with the old. Blow my whistle, bitch. Suck it. Suck it. Deeper. Softer. I don't like that when you do that with your teeth though. It feels wrong. Are we ready, crew? About 25 minutes to go. Educate the neighbours and turn it up. Blow me. Blow me. Blow me. Blow me. And don't you dare waste a drop.
Blow the eardrum like a laser
Get on me.
Blow your whistle. Blow your whistle. Blow your whistle. Yeah, blow your whistle. Yeah, blow your whistle. Yeah, blow your whistle. Yeah, blow your
All that on an Easter Sunday, God.
blow it like you mean it now. I like your level. I like your level. Blow my whistle, baby.
Last half hour, no genres. Just banging tunes. Stick with me, I won't let you down. Let's go.
Blow my whistle,
See, no one else does this, do they? They just want to play tune after tune. Who's coming with me? Who's coming with me right now?
What's this phony ceremony hanging around? We got to get down, rock it out from this shaky ground. Come on and spit out your heart and body, mood everywhere. Let's see you people laughing, people punching out in the air. Get down to the hip hop, bebop, baloo. You hear the sound is gonna come to ya. I wanna get ya, I wanna teach ya. I'm gonna get this beat to hit ya. Get down to big time illusion, life on the rest. Come on and dump and jump and pump that feeling. It's on your best. Y'all just get up the band. Get up the band. Y'all just get up the band. Y'all just get up the band. Y'all just get up the band. Get down to the
Because you know I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass.
Get down to out in the air. Get down to out in the air. Get down to out in the air. Get down to
Massive shout out to Warren H who wrote this all about my big fat ass. Thank you, brother.
Yeah, it's pretty clear. I ain't no size two, but I can shake it like I'm supposed to do. Cause I got that boom boom that all the boys chasing, all the right junk in all the right places. I see the magazine working that Photoshop. We know that ain't real. Come on now, make it stop. If you got beauty, just raise them up. Cause every interview is perfect from the bottom to the top. Yeah, my mama, she told me don't worry about your size. She says boys like a little more booty to hold a knife. And no, I won't be no stick figure silicone Barbie doll. So if that's what you're into, then go ahead and move along. Because you know I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, I'm bringing booty back. I'm all about that bass.
You heard right.
Because you know I'm all about that bass. No trouble. No trouble. Because you know I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, bass.
Normal service resumed. Yes, Wayne, you know.
True love never dies.
You know, I'm going to play another one from Warren H, only because I love it and it don't get played enough.
We move like shadows in the street lights. Only me and you, a secret rendezvous after midnight.
Right.
They try to keep us from each other. They crucify our love, say we're not good enough to be lovers. True love never dies. I want to hold you in the morning.
What a set this has been, by the way. Started off nice and easy, and then it just sort of worked its way up to like a mental set. Oh, crew, it's down to you. You make me do this, you do. I'm just Ray V. You are what makes me. I feel your vibe. You make me come alive. One family, that's how we live and thrive.
True love never dies, like shadows in the streetlights. Only me and you, a secret rendezvous after midnight. They try to keep us from each other. They crucify our love, say we're not good enough to be lovers. Give me your feeling, I want to tell the world about it.
Turn it up.
Tell them all the truth. Get up on the rooftop and shout.
For all those that tried to stop the true love.
Oh, their love is blind, not yours and mine. 'Cause we can see to the end of time. Our love will last forever. True love never dies. We'll always be together. True love never dies.
Come on! Come on!
True love never dies.
Are we ready? We go as
True love
one!
never dies. True love never dies. I want to hold you in the morning. I want to wake up by your side with no reason to hide what would be.
So I've got to tell you a story about this tune of War and Aces. I didn't think it got the recognition it deserved. It's one of my favourite songs of all time. Yeah, that's right, I said it, not even done.
True love never dies.
And this is going out to all those that keep looking. This one's for you. For me, this was a personal favourite of mine. And the first time I heard it, I was in Aberdeen. And there is a photo of me going round where I've got my X top on and I've got my arms up and Warren's looking down for me on the deck. This tune though, Warren, you know how much I love it. Didn't get the success it deserved. From me to each and every one of you, stop looking. The love starts right here.
Trying to hold my breath. Let it stay this way. Can't let this moment end. You set off a dream in me, getting louder now. Can you hear it echoing? Take my hand. Will you share this with me? 'Cause darling, without you,
Sing it.
all the shine, the thousand spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough.
bring it back.
Massive shout out to the DJ's Factory Live family.
Now bring it back.
Yes, yes.
Bring it back.
Mina, I see ya. Yes, Mara, I see you too. Reggie Legend and all the DJ Factory Live. Go, go, go. It's all about the unity under the grid. It's all about the love. It's all about what you do. It's not just a night out. Raving is a way of life. All together. Yes, Greece, I see you. Massive kisses to you too. I used to love this shit. I still do. I'm gonna smash in. I'm gonna smash you back. No. I couldn't resist that then. Yeah, what a tune this is. Turn it up. Turn it up, good.
I heard it on the radio. I read it in the news. The stories they report to us. So mellow they confuse.
It just all melts together.
The time on my side. It's easy hurting now. Yeah.
Everybody, this is my last one. This is the end of the day. I love you.
Why can't we be together? If you were back then. How long before I'm ever in the arms of the wind? Why can't we be together? If you were back then. How long before I'm ever in the arms of the wind? Why can't we be together? If you were back then. How long before I'm ever in the arms
Scotland, we love you. We're like the United Nations about. All colour, all creed, all nationality. Yes, DJ D. General G, I can't wait for the flight. You know that. know what? I absolutely love all of you. You all just humble me. Now don't say that lightly.
Was it my fault, or was it always meant? Why can't we be together as we were back then? How long before I'll never in the arms, in the arms, in the arms of the wind?
Right, so listen, sometimes as a DJ you play a set. You're just flying by the seat of your pants. Other DJs will know this. And then your set seems to take a life of its own. It's like it's grown up and left the host. For a DJ, it's the greatest gift. Absolutely love it. If ever you hear a set and you think it's good, it's not because of me. And I swear this, it's because of you. Because of how you make me feel on that. Thank you. So join me again. I think I'm kicking off Damage Special Bank Holiday Part 2. 2 to 3, then I'm on Aurora Court. 6 to 7. Not Aurora Court actually, it's Raver Light Stream. Big bang. I love you. Thank you.